Most developers working with machine learning today share a quiet, frustrating secret. They are importing powerful algorithms, writing a few lines of code, and getting results, without actually knowing how any of the math underneath is working. When you try to learn how these models function, you usually hit a wall. On one side, you have dense academic papers packed with Greek letters and zero practical code. On the other, you find superficial copy-paste coding tutorials that show you how to type fit and predict, but skip the underlying mechanics entirely. This gap leaves you vulnerable. When your model starts making wildly inaccurate predictions, a phenomenon known as model drift, or your code breaks in production, you are completely stuck. You treat the algorithm as a black box, meaning you cannot debug what you do not understand. To fix these issues, you need a cognitive bridge. You need a resource that maps the raw mathematical theory directly onto executable code, step by step. That bridge is ML Mastery, an open-source repository built by Himanshu Kumar. It is a structured, comprehensive system designed specifically to close the gap between theory and application for developers and students. True mastery in machine learning means achieving structural fluency. It happens when the mathematical equations and the Python arrays become interchangeable in your mind. You cannot reach that level of fluency by bouncing around isolated forum answers. You need a rigid, unified syllabus that builds concepts sequentially. This directory structure shows how the repository operates like a university curriculum. It is divided into 3 strict phases: core Python libraries, core machine learning concepts, and finally, end-to-end real-world projects. Phase 1 forces you to master the basics. Before you even touch an algorithm, you have to understand NumPy, a library for fast numerical computing, and Pandas, a tool for manipulating data tables. Everything else depends on these arrays. It also provides an exhaustive reference for Matplotlib, the foundational library for data visualization in Python. This ensures you can easily plot data distributions and decision boundaries, where an algorithm separates classes, without leaving your workspace. Phase 2 introduces the machine learning concepts. The curriculum covers a massive breadth of tools, moving from basic linear models to complex ensemble methods, which combine multiple models to improve accuracy, and unsupervised techniques that find hidden patterns in data without pre-labeled answers. To remove execution friction, every single algorithm has a dedicated Open and Colab batch. Colab is a cloud-hosted Python notebook environment provided by Google. Clicking this spins up a workspace instantly, meaning you execute the code directly in your browser without spending hours configuring a local environment. The most powerful part of this repository is its pedagogical backbone. Every notebook follows the exact same structure: a plain English explanation, the mathematical derivation, visual intuition plots, raw from-scratch coding, and finally, the industry-standard implementation. By forcing every algorithm through this identical, rigorous framework, the repository trains your brain. It turns abstract statistical theories into highly repeatable engineering habits. To see exactly how this works, we can zoom in on the notebook for linear regression, an algorithm that finds the best-fitting straight line through a set of data points to predict a continuous output. The notebook always starts by grounding the algorithm in a plain English overview. It tells you exactly what the model does and when you should use it, before throwing any formulas at you. Once the concept is clear, it plunges straight into the raw mathematics. It breaks down the exact equations for the cost function, a measure of how wrong the predictions are, and gradient descent, the iterative process the algorithm uses to minimize that error. This chart shows the cost surface of the model. By translating the intimidating equations into this visible, bowl-shaped geometry, you can actually see the gradient descent process rolling down to find the minimum possible error. Next comes the most critical phase of the learning pipeline. You are forced to build the entire algorithm from scratch. You compute the weights and biases using only raw NumPy math, completely avoiding pre-built automated libraries. Only after you have built it manually does the notebook show you the production-ready method. It contrasts your from-scratch code with the implementation from scikit-learn, the industry-standard machine learning library in Python, explaining exactly what every single built-in parameter is doing behind the scenes. Executing this grueling transition from pure math to visual intuition to raw arrays gives you a deep mechanical understanding. It makes you immune to the black box trap when you eventually deploy these models in production environments. Theoretical algorithms run perfectly in isolation, but actual data science is messy. You have to handle missing values, unpredictable formats, and unstructured noise. That is why the repository includes an applied projects tier. It uses real datasets, like the California housing model, as a proving ground to test the concepts you just learned. The project walks you through the entire practical workflow. You start by loading and inspecting the raw data, and then move on to engineering predictive features, which means transforming the raw variables into formats that make it easier for your algorithm to find patterns. The repository also provides specific safety nets for this kind of active work. The Extras folder contains cheat sheets for syntax rescues mid-project and a breakdown of common machine learning interview questions to help you prepare for technical exams. ML Mastery functions as a permanent technical reference. It serves as an active workspace for the working data scientists to return to whenever they need to verify their underlying logic. To anchor your own machine learning education, you can bookmark the repository. Click the Fork button to build your own reference material, and leave a star to support the ongoing development of this open source project.